How to send pictures on email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send pictures on email, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to send pictures on email, first of all it really depends upon which email app you use. You could be using Apple Mail or Yahoo Mail or other mails, but the most common and the most popular one is Gmail. So I'm going to be taking this as an example. You can open up the Gmail application here. Now in case the method I'm going to show you is not working on your mailing app, you can always use Gmail and use those ID. You can tap the compose option, and assuming that you have someone you're trying to send money to, whenever you're trying to compose an email you want to send pictures, right? So to send pictures, if you look at the very top, you'll find a little pin like icon there. Tap on that pin icon, tap on attach file, and as and when you do that, you should be able to see a couple of images. Now you can go ahead and simply select that, and those images will get selected, and now you can send pictures. This way you can send pictures on email. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.